Hello friends, welcome, and this is going to be the tutorial for mastering most important Excel functions and formulas. This is going to be the last tutorial in this series of functions that is used in context of text and string. Let's quickly move to the next slide, understand what we all will discuss today. So till now we have covered the tree and clean function. Now we'll learn the search function, then we'll move ahead to the replace function and understand the difference between the substitute and the replace function, and then we'll learn the different method to concatenate a string. All right, let's quickly come out of this and open a fresh Excel workbook where we will learn all these concepts and functions. All right, so this is the fresh Excel workbook. Let me write some string here, like is the tutorial website. All right, so let's maximize it. All right, so this is the text we have. All right, from A1 let's substitute the website. Let's substitute best with the only best, and let's see what is happening here. So as the text that is coming up, it has replaced the best, and it has replaced it with is the only best tutorial. All right, let's write another string. Tutorial website and is best. All right, we have used. All right, let's do one thing. Let's use the substitute function and substitute. All right, this is the spell of substitute. Substitute function, and write a2 and replace edu c with a space, and let's close it. Tutorial website. Okay, I made a mistake here. CBA. All right, so is the tutorial website and is best, but we don't want it. We want at least one Educaba should be there. Let's do it here. Let's write substitute substitute function, substitute in a1 a2, and let's substitute with space, but we'll give the third argument. We'll take from the instance number 2, but we won't replace the first instance of Educaba. So this is what we want as the result, and this is what we can do using the substitute function. Now let's learn the replace function and where it can be used. All right, so let's write the replace function here, and as you all can see, it replaces the old text, start number, number character, and new text. We should know the starting position of the text that we want to replace. All right, let us see, like tutorial. Let's replace the. All right, in old text in a1, let's start it with 6 7 8 9 10 11 up to it is of 3 characters. Number character is 3, and the new text is only popular. Let's the new text be popular, POPU. All right, let's close it and let's see what is the result that is coming up. So as you all have seen, it has replaced the best with popular. In replace, we should know the start position and the character length of a particular word which you want to replace. So this is the difference between the substitute and replace function, and this way we can use substitute and replace whenever we want. Now let's clean the screen and let's make the arrangement of the column to 64-bit. All right, that is 8.43. all right, now let's learn how to concatenate two string, and to do so we'll create a table with first fname, mname, that is middle name, and we'll add one column here, designation, first name, designation, first name, last name, and L name, and full name. All right, let's write some like Mr. Roy, Sam, Harry. That's Mrs. Priya, Bansal, Mrs. Let's take only two examples for now, and let's just use the concatenation of all this. So we can do it simply by writing A2 ampersand. We can use, if want to give any delimiter, we can give again ampersand. Then we want B2. Then we want is ampersand and space. Isn't it quite tedious? But I need to do it. And then C2, then ampersand, C2, then ampersand, C2, C2, then ampersand, then space, then ampersand, then D2. All right, let's see if it is coming up. We missed something and it is coming up as expected. Let's do it for someone who don't have a middle name. Let's see what is happening. As you all can see, there are two. Miss Riya Sharma has two space between Riya and Sharma because of the extra delimiter we have. So let's write it using a concatenation operator. CA concatenate, CA concatenate, and we want to concatenate text one, that is A1, B1. Again we want to concatenate it with space C1. Again we want to concatenate into space and D1. We basically want A2, B2, C2 and D2. All right, B2. We can make it A3 too. A3, B3, C3 and D3. Let's close it and let's Control X and Control V. All right, so let's extend it for this. So as we have seen that again, for someone who has all the fields in first name, last name and all, the name is coming perfectly, but for Miss Riya it is not coming perfectly because of the extra space, because of a missing middle name. So how to deal with it? So there are two different methods to deal with it. First, let's learn what a concat function do, and then we'll learn text join function. All right, so let's learn first what is concat function. So let's write some number here: 1, 2, 4, and it will be 6. We want to simply join CONCAT from A4 to D4 without any delimiter. Then we can use it concat function, A4 to D4. I'm sorry for this, I guess I missed. Okay, I don't know why it is Control X. All right, let's delete it. Sometimes through exception, CONCAT concatenate, okay, concatenate A4 to D4. Let's press enter and it is giving a missing value. Let's copy it and let's use it here. All right, that's given some. So I guess this functionality is not available for term 16 Excel. It is available for previous version, but we have used concatenation operator here. Let's learn how to use text join to deal with such kind of situation where we can have a blank for a particular field. So let's write text join for this column. All right, let's write txt text join. So friends, let's learn the text join function. And as Excel 2016 don't support it, but I will explain you what is the argument of it and what is the use of it. So first argument is to we need to give the space, the delimiter with that we want. It can be comma, it can be space, we are giving space. And second argument, we should keep true if we want to escape the null values if any column has. And third value is the range. The range will be here from D4 to A4 to D4, A4 to D4, and it should return the value of 1264 for. And if we'll extend it, here, it should result with this. For Ria Bansal, it should come this way, not this way, with only one space after Ria and Bansal. So this is the difference between concat and using ampersand and text join function. If you want any other topic to discuss, thank you.